Namaste everyone. Welcome to Aikyam, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see chapter 2 recitation with meaning. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Dvitiyodhyayah Sankhya Yogaha Sanjaya Uvacha Tantatha Kripayavishtam Ashruपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् Vishidantamidau Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanah. Sanjaya told, the Lord Madhusudana began to address Arjuna, who was overcome with pity and whose downcast eyes were overflowing with tears and anguish. श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन. The Lord of Shri said, Arjuna, from whither did this weakness of spirit come to you at this hour of danger? This does not benefit you as an Aryan, who should be always in the fighting spirit. Neither does this bring you any good reputation, nor does it lead you to the heaven. क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. Hence, O son of Partha, do not be disordered by this weakness of spirit. Vanquisher of enemies, shed this impotency and get ready to fight. Arjuna Uvacha Katham Bhishmamaham Sankhye Dronam cha Madhusudana Ishubhi Pratiyotsyami Pujarha Varisudana. Arjuna said, O vanquisher of the demon Madhu, how will I attack Bhishma and Drona in the battle? O vanquisher of enemies, tell me how can I use my arrows against those who are worshipable? In this, Arjuna referred Krishna as Madhusudana because Krishna killed a demon called Madhu, so he got the name Madhusudana. गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुम् भैक्ष्ममपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्. It is better to live in this world by begging rather than killing my superiors. If I kill these respectable elders, then I will certainly not be able to enjoy the pleasures of the world because these pleasures will be tainted with the blood of these elders. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. I know not now which is better us as conquering them or they conquering us. Even if I kill the sons of Dhritarashtra who are standing in front of me, I would not want to live after that. कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वान् धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. I am overcome by weakness, hence I am confused about my duties. I surrender myself to you as a disciple. Please instruct me as to what my duties are and what is right for me to do. न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्याद् यच्छोकमुच्छो क्षणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्. Now even if I could gain the entire earth in all its prosperity, uncontested, or if sovereign power of the heavens was offered to me, it still would not remove the grief that is causing my sense to dry up. Sanjaya Uvacha Eva Muktva Hrishikesham Gudakeshah Parantapa Nayotsya iti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Babhuvaham. Sanjaya said, then Arjuna said to Govinda, O Govinda, I shall not fight, and fell silent. तमुवाच हृषीकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदौ वचः. Now Sanjaya is telling, O king, standing in the middle of both the armies, Govinda spoke the smilingly these words to Arjuna, who was filled with sorrow.